These AI avatars are taking over TikTok by storm, and 17-year-olds on TikTok are earning well over $10,000 a month using this method I'm about to share in this video. I've created my own AI avatar. I will show you how to create your very own AI avatar and use it to make money on TikTok with a unique strategy. And no, it's not what you are thinking right now. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert to make it happen. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me tell you, this method is a game changer. And my friends, today is your lucky day because I'm about to spill all the secrets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own AI avatar, write viral scripts, bring your AI avatar to live, turn your AI avatar into a news anchor, go viral on TikTok with it. Step 1. To start, create your AI avatar. The well-known tool for this is Midjourney, but we'll use its free alternative. Visit lexica.com. It has a vast library of AI-generated art. You can search here, but to make our own AI art, simply click Generate, which brings you here. Now, place this exact prompt and upload your own picture that you want your avatar to resemble. Click Generate. The results are decent, but I prefer a younger avatar. I'm going to adjust the prompt and run it again. In your case, if you find a favorite among these 4 results, you can click here to make more variations of it. Once satisfied, click on Outpaint for a wider version. After trying a few times, I ended up with this avatar, and I'm quite happy with it. Step 2. Research. Now, many people are using these AI avatars in viral quote videos. If you want, you can give that a try too. However, I've noticed that this niche is quite saturated, so I decided to do some research. I discovered that news content is performing really well on TikTok and Instagram. And we will take it one step further, with AI news anchors, which might become the new trend. You should choose a topic you're knowledgeable or passionate about. Take a look at this TikTok account. It's relatively new, yet it has managed to gather a significant number of views and followers in a short time, all by sharing crypto news content. I also found an Instagram account doing the exact same thing. Surprisingly, both of these accounts are now earning an estimated $5,000 per month with ease. Because I own such niche pages, and I know what they earn on average. Towards the end of the video, I'll demonstrate how they capitalize on their audience for monetization. Step 3. In this step, you'll need to look up news blogs on the internet that focus on your chosen topic. In my case, I came across this website which provides reliable crypto news. For the purpose of this video, I've decided to discuss and cover the details of this particular article. Step 4. Now, let's head over to ChatGPT. I'll copy the article and use this prompt to transform it into a video script. This prompt can be used by anyone to convert their articles into videos. Our target is to create a video that's slightly longer than a minute, as TikTok's recent updates indicate a preference for content exceeding a minute in duration. Once the script is prepared, just copy it. Quickly, before I continue, I want to let you know that you may never see me again, but by simply hitting that subscribe button, you'll secure a direct route to all my fresh AI content. And don't forget to tap the bell icon, ensuring you're the first to catch every update. Let's keep our connection strong. Together, we'll explore the AI universe. Step 5. Next, let's breathe life into our AI avatar using the remarkable DID Studio. Simply search for DID Studio on Google, and it should be the top result. Sign up. You'll receive sufficient free credits to create a number of videos. This incredible tool will take your AI avatar and the script you've crafted, transforming it all into a captivating video. Click and upload your AI avatar here. Paste first and last sentences of your script here. And then click Generate Video.
Crypto enthusiasts. This just in from the digital realm. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has made a modest 1% surge in its value.
A quick tip. Use only the first and last sentences of your script here. Your AI avatar doesn't need to be present throughout the entire video anyway, and you will save up a lot of credits. This strategy will become clearer as we proceed with further editing. For the voiceover, I'll get it from a reliable site called play.ht, which has proven to be of good quality. Step 6. With your AI avatar video prepared, it's time to finish the rest of the video. Use CapCut, an excellent and simple-to-use online video editing tool that's completely free. Begin by uploading your AI avatar video and voiceover here. Select a 9:16 aspect ratio. If any step of this process seems unclear, or if you encounter any issues while putting this strategy into action, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. I'm committed to addressing every single comment and helping you out. Your success is my priority. Divide the video to isolate the initial and final script sentences. For the rest of the video, I'm going to use suitable stock images available in the tool aligned with the script. I'm going to add transitions and a gentle background music touch. If you prefer, you can dedicate more time to add additional effects, emojis, and such. But for now, I'll proceed to the next step. Employing CapCut's auto subtitle feature, enhancing the video's appeal. Let's customize the subtitle style. With more time, I could have enhanced it further, but here's the final video.
This just in from the digital realm. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has made a modest 1% surge in its value.
Drop a comment below if you'd like me to make another video on how to set up a TikTok account correctly, along with posting these or other types of videos more efficiently using AI, and tips to boost TikTok's virality and share the finest SEO strategies for TikTok's algorithm. Now, let's address the question, how can you earn from TikTok or Instagram using this type of content or any other? There are two primary methods favored by content creators on these platforms. The first is affiliate marketing, where you'll find a product to promote through your followers. Then you can share a link to the product in your bio. It can be any physical or digital product suitable for your niche audience. The second approach involves brand or small business partnerships. As your audience grows, brands may approach you, or you can reach out to them, proposing to promote their product or service for a set fee. They're often quite open to the idea. Additionally, TikTok has recently launched its Creator Fund program, somewhat similar to YouTube's monetization. Unfortunately, this is currently available only in select countries. I'll delve into each of these methods in separate detailed videos in the future. If you found this guide useful, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and join me